My name is Lauren and I'm the founder of the Little Coffee Company. The Little Coffee Company is a social enterprise that empowers women farmers within the coffee supply chain. The challenges that I face as a business was probably 3 challenges. The first one was around marketing. The second challenge was really around making sure that we could ship to our customers properly. The last challenge was around getting funding so that we could help and support the business to grow. The Amazon tool that I've utilized to help my business grow would be FBA. FBA is incredibly important because I'm able to send all of my coffee into the Amazon warehouse and they're able to handle the dispatching so it gets to the customers on time, but also it takes away all the hassle from me as a seller. I get to think about other things that I could work on. Amazon has really helped to grow my business and my sales because from the day I was onboarded, Amazon was able to show me all the tools that I could use and access, and I've seen great growth since day one.